In today's society, many people shop for organic foods. But little do they know that these organic foods are not as organic and green as they are portrayed to be. In 2002, the United States Department of Agriculture created genetically modified organisms, or GMOs. Genetically modified organisms can range from several different products, from bacon and eggs in the morning, to celery in a sandwich at lunch, and chicken and broccoli at supper. GMOs are everywhere, and they're all around you. But often, we don't really occur and think in our head what we're really consuming at the day's time. In 2002, the United States Department of Agriculture created genetically modified organisms. Genetically modified organisms, according to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, January 14th of 2012, stated that GMOs are a species like rice that exist in nature today and are enhanced by another gene that's already existing, say as in soybeans, and they genetically modify this gene into the crop of rice so that the crop of rice will be disease resistant, resistant to pesticides, resistant to harsh climates. Genetically modified organisms has so many benefits, they're uncountable. But unfortunately, the cons are right there with them. Today we're going to analyze the question of what are genetically modified organisms with these 3 points. The USDA's role, the benefits of GMOs, and the cons of genetically modified organisms. To start off, the USDA is the sole inventor of genetically modified organisms. In 2002, in Berkeley, California, in a small science lab, USDA scientists created genetically modified organisms for the betterment of not only American citizens' health standards, but also to increase the health standards of the world entirely. The USDA has steadily created new advancements in the GMO field. The USDA ensures that no GMOs will escape into the environment with secured facilities and buildings, a series of standardized testings for all GMO experiments, and they are sure and secured that GMOs will not cause allergic reactions or any outbreaks and cross with weeds and be a rampant flower or crop that is unprotectable and just grows rampant. My second point being on what is the benefits of genetically modified organisms. Some of the benefits of genetically modified organisms range from the higher percent yield, disease resistance, harsh climate resistance, and it also helps the human health as a whole. On September 17th of this year, the New York Times reported that farmers now have a stable income due to genetically modified organisms, because genetically modified organisms will not die off whenever a harsh winter comes or a dry, not plentiful rain summer comes and the crops are in unbearable temperatures. All of these temperatures are going against the farmer and are not able to be calculated into their business. So genetically modified organisms saves the farmer entirely, and also it saves undernourished countries, such as third world countries who have malnutrition crises. They will no longer have these with genetically modified organisms. And my third point being the cons. Allergic reactions are everywhere when GMOs are stated. Allergic reactions, 3 in 11 people, according to BBC, October 14th of this year, have allergic reactions when they consume genetically modified organisms. Today we've analyzed the question of what are GMOs with these 3 points: the USDA's role, the benefits of GMOs, and the negations of GMOs. Thank you.